It's here that the significance of sounds underwater can be studied best. Sounds, for instance, play a special role underwater. Sound is as important for dolphins and other marine creatures as light is for man. But for some time now, there has been interference. Countless drilling rigs, ships, sonar equipment, and military exercises produce a deafening noise around the clock. Only a few regions in the world are spared, at least to some degree, like the Cook Islands in the South Pacific. Nan Hauser is a whale researcher